Peter F. Drucker's article, The New Society of Organizations, explores the profound societal transformation brought by the rise of knowledge-based organizations. Here's a summary of the main ideas. 1. Knowledge as the central resource. In the modern knowledge society, knowledge surpasses land, labor, and capital as the primary resource for individuals and the economy. Knowledge becomes productive only when integrated into tasks, making organizations the key structures of society. 2. The role of organizations. Modern organizations serve as platforms for integrating specialized knowledge toward common goals. Unlike families or communities that focus on stability, organizations are agents of change and innovation, often destabilizing society. They must be designed for constant renewal, systematically abandoning outdated practices and fostering innovation. 3. Challenges in a knowledge society. Organizations face tensions between innovation, which destabilizes communities, and the community's need for stability. The rise of specialized knowledge creates challenges of coordination and performance as teamwork becomes essential. Knowledge workers, specialists, hold the means of production through their expertise, making them independent yet reliant on organizations for their tools and structure. 4. The importance of change management. Organizations must embrace change through practices like continuous improvement, Kaizen, exploiting successes, and systematic innovation. Without these practices, organizations risk becoming obsolete. 5. Decentralization and autonomy. To thrive in rapidly changing environments, organizations must decentralize decision-making, empowering those closest to markets, technologies, and social changes. Organizations must balance their autonomy and societal responsibilities. 6. Social responsibility. While organizations hold significant social power, e.g., in education, healthcare, and employment, this power must be exercised responsibly. Economic performance is a primary responsibility, but organizations must also consider their impact on employees, communities, and the environment. 7. Knowledge workers and teams. Knowledge workers are independent, mobile, and critical to organizational success. Organizations must attract and retain them by offering opportunities to apply their expertise. Teams are central to organizational success, with different structures, e.g., hierarchical versus collaborative, suited to various tasks. Shifting from one team model to another, e.g., hierarchical to collaborative, is challenging and requires unlearning. 8. The new pluralism. Modern society is highly pluralistic, with numerous autonomous organizations contributing to its fabric. This pluralism raises critical questions about who defines and protects the common good in a society driven by competing organizational goals. 9. The role of managers. Managers are key to balancing organizational performance with social responsibility. The role of management has shifted from command and control to inspiring and empowering knowledge workers. Key takeaway. The emergence of a society of organizations marks a fundamental shift in how societies function. Organizations must innovate, adapt, and act responsibly to thrive in a world where knowledge, rather than capital or labor, is the driving force. Managers play a pivotal role in navigating these changes, ensuring both performance and social cohesion.